Hi and welcome to Louderbranch Farms YouTube style. We've got another delivery today. Got some Echinacea plugs that's come in. We're supposed to have some other things. Maybe they'll be here tomorrow, but this is going to be a short, quick video. This is a new Echinacea that we're trying this year. It's a green twister coneflower. It's green, kind of got a roses pink center to it, and we're going to have these. So let's open it up and see what they look like. We usually grow coneflowers or Echinacea, but this is a new color for us. We're excited about it. We got a few that fell out of the sales. This is a 128. But we'll need to get these potted up pretty quick to protect these roots. But other than that, they look pretty good. Usually what causes this is the box turns over. It's not uncommon to have a few plugs out of place. That's pretty normal. We have had them come in that were just ruined, I guess is the best way to put it. That they were not even salvageable, broke off. But these are in pretty good shape. They look good, and we'll get these transplanted and have them ready for you this spring. If you hadn't already, be sure to click the subscribe button, give us a like, and click on the bell, and it'll let you know when we upload a new video. For the next few weeks, we're going to have plugs coming, a lot of plugs coming from all over the United States, a lot of different nurseries, a lot of flowers and things, so be sure to stay tuned. And we'll have some more plug videos, plus we're going to do some transplanting videos. The first house is pretty much full, so we're fixing to move on to the next one, and it'll fill up pretty quick. So we're fixing to really start going through some plants. So you'll want to follow along with us. Again, thanks and have a great day.